Don't mind the face. I got a new thing in the mail yesterday for my review, for my sampling. We've got Wandering Bear coffee. It's extra strong coffee pods, dark roast, 100% organic Arabica coffee. There's more coffee in our coffee, so it tells you that there's 15.5 grams of caffeine in it. So I'm gonna give it a try. I've never heard of this brand until I got to sample it. It says cool, peel, recycle. Allow at least 2 minutes to cool capsule. Carefully peel foil lid off, remove. Oh, so you can recycle these. I wonder if I can recycle my other ones. Should look into that. There we go. I feel like they're bigger than what I'm used to. I wonder if that's okay with my machine. I mean, recyclable pods, organic. I know when I put it in, I did put K-cups. Oh, for use with Keurig. Art, Mr. Coffee. So it says I can use it. So we're gonna give it a try. So I'll come back in just a moment with the setup. All right, I've got my Keurig here to go. If you've watched any of my other videos, this is the Keurig that I received for free to sample. I love it. Might need to add more water, I didn't check that. All right, so they are actually the same size. It looks a little different because it does have those ridges, so I was a little thrown off, but fits right in. I'm gonna do my ounces, and I do need to add water. I should have thought of that. I'll be right back. All right, I've added my coffee. Because this is such a higher dose and I have to watch my caffeine intake, I'm gonna only do 8 ounces. So I got my mug under here. We're gonna start this process, and I'm excited to see how well it goes, how it smells, because that's all very important. I do like that they're recyclable because we recycle, and these pods I usually just toss in. And I never thought to check the box on my other ones. They are recyclable too. Ugh, I'm a dum-dum. So I'm gonna start recycling. But anyways, this is what I'm gonna be trying, and I'll get back to you with how that's going. All right, my coffee is done brewing. Smells very strong, like mentioned. I like my coffee to be very foo-foo coffee. Lots of creamer. I don't need sugar because the creamer has enough sugar in it. All right, nice and dark. I just poured it from the mug into my mug, and I'm gonna add my creamer to it, and we'll get that taste testing. It is a very strong aroma since I poured it in here. Wow. But it's strong coffee for sure. We'll see what happens next. Hush, hush. Hush it! So I literally filled my rest of my cup up with creamer, and you can see it's still a dark color. So that tells you it's a very strong coffee for one. Adding my creamer, it smells good. I'm gonna taste it now. Should be cool enough too, being that my creamer is put in by a lot. Very, very strong coffee for sure. Has that strong flavor. Wow. Very bitter. I mean, not a bad bitter, like bitter coffee. That's how it's supposed to be. But it definitely is strong. Quite impressive for a coffee pod, but you know, that's what's expected. Definitely if you need a strong coffee and you want the pods, organic, these are your way to go. So go ahead and try your Wandering Bear extra strong coffee pods. Organic. You get 10 in this box. You can get some more information. It's got one of those little codes on them here. And you can recycle the pods, which is awesome. And then it shows you how much more coffee it has than your typical places. So it has a website, wanderingbearcoffee.com. I'm definitely gonna check them out and see what other flavors or styles they might have, because oops, I just dropped some. It's a little strong for me. I typically like strong coffee, but I am nursing, so it's not really ideal for me to have. But it will probably keep me nice and awake, which is what I need to get stuff done. So thank you for letting me get to try this. You all definitely need to give it a try too. Alrighty, thank you.